In today's video, we are going to show you how you can contribute to the Waze community by editing the map. Whether it's fixing a road, adding a new one, or just helping out fellow drivers, editing the map in Waze is a simple way to make your driving experience and everyone else's a lot better. Let's begin. Now, open your Waze app, and if you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. I want you to log in if you are not already, and then, for example, we are already in the dashboard, and for us to be able to edit the map, you need to be on the map editing mode or the map editor. To do that, tap on the search bar on the top screen right here. The three small dots, I want you to click on it and click the map editor. This will forward you to a new dashboard, okay? Now, in the edit mode, we can do a lot here. I want you to click the get started, okay? And you need to connect your Waze account if you haven't already. It's very important, all right? For you to be able to move forward. Click on OK. And then you need to hover to the top right corner where you can see the plus button. For example, there's a new road you want to add. Click the roads and click on roads. Okay, it's super simple. Now, what will happen is you will be forwarded here and you can add a new address for that newly found road. For example, the street is going to be you can put it here. Okay, for example, Meridian Way. And you can also put in an alternate address if you want it. So it's up to you, all right? So once you are happy with that, okay, you see there's a lot more information that you can contribute, like speed limit, elevation, and a lot more. Once you're happy with that, all I have to do is super simple. You can also add in from road closures and lanes and roads width. All right, or if there's gonna be an approach intersection, you can also add it here to give more information for the community. Once you are happy with that, all I have to do is send for review. Okay, when I make sure to add more details and click that button. It's super simple, right? Not only that, when you click the plus button, you can add another road if you want, or car or services, transportations. Basically, there's a lot that you can do here. Okay, do not forget to save your changes. Waze again will ask you to review everything you have edited before you confirm it. And once you're happy, basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.